Hey everybody, Jay at LockNLube, and today I'm going to show you how to prime and load our Easy Prime grease guns. So unlike your traditional grease gun with the rod and the plate and the spring follower mechanism, all that has been replaced by this reusable cap. Now the grease gun's going to include a pack of 10 of these. They are reusable. If you lose it, if you forget, if you throw away the tube, you've still got 9 more. You unscrew the barrel, and the first thing you'll notice are the rolled threads. This makes it a lot faster to screw and unscrew the bottom. It also is going to prevent cross-threading. Take the plastic cap off, load this thing in, take the metal top off. I like to scrape it off. That plastic cap is a nice little holder for that until you have the chance to throw it away. I'm going to get a grip on this metal top of that tube as well as the holder here. And in the bottom here, I'm going to push this in until you can start to see the paper or the plastic, depending on your grease tube, sticking out the bottom. I'll watch the top and push this up until I've got a fair bit of grease coming out. The reason for that is I want to fill up this whole top. The first time I load and prime this gun, there is going to be some air in there. And so if I can push a little bit up there, it's just going to make this process a little bit faster and easier. Get that screwed on, and then that's it. I'm going to start pumping the gun. I've got this in our high volume mode, which is going to be the default out of the box, and also the easier way to get the gun primed because you're moving the most volume per stroke. And I just felt the grease. You can kind of get a good feel for it. It's already coming up. I'm going to keep pumping until I see it come out of the coupler. All right, and just like that, the grease gun is primed. And as I continue to use this tube of grease, continue to pump, this follower on the bottom is going to just get pulled up, and it's going to scrape the tube clean as it comes. It's going to prevent any leaks or drips out the bottom, so it's going to keep that nice and clean. If you were to drop the grease gun in the dirt or something like that, don't worry about it. As the follower moves up, if there's some dirt in the bottom, it doesn't matter. You're going to throw that tube out when you're done with it anyway. So there it is, the LockNLube pistol grip Easy Prime grease gun, loaded up and primed.